What's up, fam? Your boy Kamapoko here, your favorite noob FX trader. And when I say noob, I mean I still sometimes accidentally try to trade my lunch money. Don't judge. Today, we're diving deep into the US dollar to Japanese yen pair. We'll break down the charts, drop some sick analysis, and I'll even share some red flags to watch out for so you don't, accidentally trade your grandma's dentures. Stick around till the end for the full lowdown. So, how'd your trades go last week, eh? Did you make it rain? Or did the market just eat your money? Me. I only traded a measly 3 times. 2 losses, 1 win. Yeah, my win rate was a stellar 33%. Don't laugh. But hey, I still ended up in the green. Sometimes, even a broken clock is right twice a day. And sometimes, even I make money. Let's keep it chill and have some fun trading this week. Oh, and real quick, normally on this channel, I drop daily market recaps. I also try to keep you guys updated with market deets on my YouTube community posts. So if you want to stay in the loop and get more of my genius insights, hit that subscribe button. And if you're feeling extra spicy, check out my blog. I post super serious, detailed market analysis there daily. Think of it as my secret diary where I actually try to sound smart. Alright, let's stop procrastinating and jump straight into this US dollar to Japanese yen analysis. Since it's the start of the week, we're gonna kick things off with the weekly chart. Time to put on our big boy pants. Alright, here's the weekly chart, folks. From where I'm sitting, which, let's be honest, is usually on my couch with a bag of chips, the weekly trend is still looking pretty bearish. It's like the market's on a downward spiral, and it can't quite get up. This right here? That's our recent low, the oops, I dropped my money point. And this over here? That's the last swing high, where the market was like, nah, I'm just gonna chill here for a bit. So within this range, we've got a baby uptrend forming on the lower time frames. It's like a tiny fish swimming upstream in a giant river. Last week's candle looked like this. We saw a dip at the start of the week, and then by the weekend, it clawed its way back up to about half of that decline. So, if you're a long-term trader, you might be thinking about shorting around here, right? Personally, I think it'll probably hit 150 yen before it decides to truly tank. But hey, what do you guys think? Am I crazy? Don't answer that. Alright, now let's zoom in and take a look at the daily chart, based on our weekly shenanigans. Here's the daily chart. I'm seeing this as the recent high, the peak performance moment, and this is the last high or low. The weekly chart's last swing high is over here, and the 150 yen line is chilling right here. Last week was a wild ride, a huge correction, and then the price started climbing again near that last high or low. It's like the market had a little snack break and is now ready for round 2. Will it keep soaring? Or is this gonna be like the ceiling, forming a double top and pulling a vanishing act? Your guess is as good as mine, honestly. For now, the daily trend is still keeping that uptrend vibe alive. Next up, let's dissect the 4-hour chart. Get ready for some serious detective work. Boom. Here's the 4-hour chart. So last week, we were stuck in a downtrend until Thursday. But then bam! A massive bullish wave just smacked that downtrend in the face. It's like the market suddenly remembered it had somewhere to be. The current recent high is here, but whether this first wave of ascent is over, your guess is as good as mine. It's like waiting for your crush to text back. You never quite know. However, this price area? Super important. I've got a strong feeling we're gonna see a major correction here. On the flip side, if we break above this price level, oh boy, we could see a quick surge all the way up to this area. It's like a slingshot effect. Now, let's zoom in even further to the 1-hour chart and see what's brewing. Alright, here's the 1-hour chart. As of right now, while I'm scribbling this script and probably sipping a questionable energy drink, this is the recent high, and this is the last high or low. So, as long as we don't dive below this price level, we're still keeping that upward bias. It's like a stubborn mule that refuses to go down. If we blast through this price level, then this right here becomes our new high or low. And that's about all the excitement we need from the 1-hour chart. My brain can only handle so much. Alright, armed with all that chart goodness, I'm gonna spill the beans on my super secret. Not really, I just made it up 5 minutes ago, trading strategy. Usually, I'm a one-trick pony. Either I'm buying dips or selling rallies. But this time, I'm feeling feisty. I'm thinking about going both long and short. Yeah, I'm a rebel like that. My absolute favorite strategy right now is to catch that 4-hour third wave of ascent. It's like waiting for the perfect surf wave, but instead of a board, I've got my trading platform. Now, a heads up. This might not happen today. Patience, young Padawan. I'm thinking this is the first wave of ascent on the 4-hour chart, so I'm just gonna chill, wait for that second wave pullback, and then snag that third wave for a long entry. My sweet spot for entry? Around this price area. It's a major turning point for the trend, and you've got the 4-hour 21-day moving average hanging out right there too. Plus, it's currently the last high or low on the 1-hour chart, so a bunch of other traders are probably eyeing it too. My first strategy is definitely this dip buy. And for my second strategy, we're going for a jump-in short. This is on the 15-minute chart, and after a sharp climb, we're seeing some consolidation, like the market's catching its breath. I might just pull the trigger on a short entry, targeting this quick surge. In market speak, this would be a short entry aiming for the second corrective wave on the 4-hour chart. Since it's against the trend on the 1-hour and 4-hour charts, I'll be watching the price action like a hawk before I jump in. That's pretty much it for my market insights. And while I can't update these YouTube videos as often as I'd like, I'm constantly updating my blog with the latest market deets. So if you're a market junkie like me, you know where to go. Alright, that's a wrap for today, folks. On this channel, I'm all about dropping market analysis and showing you my epic trading journey. So if that sounds like your jam, and only if it sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to see next, or just say hi. Until next time, stay green, stay safe, and don't lose all your money. Peace out.